The profound philosophy encapsulated in the statement, "Thou art God," intertwines seamlessly with the teachings of Jesus on love. Both perspectives, while emerging from different contexts, converge on the transformative potential of recognizing the divine within ourselves and in others. This essay explores the powerful synthesis of these philosophies, offering compelling insights into self-identity, empowerment, interconnectedness, and ethical living. Thou art God is a revolutionary assertion that each individual is a manifestation of the divine. It proposes that divinity is not an external distant entity, but an innate aspect of every being. This pantheistic view challenges traditional religious structures, empowering individuals to see their actions and choices as inherently divine. The intrinsic worth and potential it confers upon each person fosters a profound sense of moral responsibility. Jesus' teachings pivot around two fundamental commandments: loving God with all one's heart and loving one's neighbor as oneself. He emphasized unconditional love, illustrated in the parable of the Good Samaritan, which calls for compassion beyond societal and cultural boundaries. Jesus often challenged religious authorities, advocating for a personal, direct relationship with God, highlighting the kingdom of God within each person. By recognizing oneself as divine, the philosophy of Thou art God aligns with Jesus' method of empowering individuals. Jesus' encounters, such as his conversation with the Samaritan woman at the well, underscored the intrinsic worth and spiritual potential of individuals. Viewing oneself as divine urges one to act with compassion and love, mirroring Jesus' teachings. This perspective fosters the conjoined state, where personal actions resonate with collective well-being. Both Thou art God and Jesus' teachings disrupt traditional religious hierarchies. Jesus' frequent challenges to religious authorities paralleled his advocacy for a personal relationship with God, bypassing institutional intermediaries. The democratization of divinity inherent in Thou art God aligns with Jesus' assertion that the kingdom of God is within, promoting an egalitarian spiritual approach. Recognizing divinity in oneself necessitates acknowledging the divine in others, fostering universal interconnectedness. This principle aligns perfectly with Jesus' command to love one's neighbor as oneself, emphasizing the interconnected nature of humanity. The convergent state emerges where mutual recognition of divinity enhances collective unity and understanding. Such a worldview cultivates a community grounded in empathy, compassion, and mutual respect. The ethical implications of personal divinity are profound. Each action reflects upon the divine nature of the individual, necessitating a high level of self-awareness and responsibility. Jesus' ethical teachings, particularly in the Sermon on the Mount, advocate for behavior that mirrors divine principles of love, mercy, and humility. This synthesis creates an existential responsibility model, where individuals are motivated to live ethically and compassionately. Jesus' teachings often focused on the existential connection between individuals and God, urging believers to actualize their divine potential through love and service. The philosophy of Thou art God complements this by emphasizing that each person's divine nature inherently calls for compassionate action. The interplay of recognizing the divine in oneself and others ensures that individual actions foster love and enhance universal harmony. Integrating the philosophy of Thou art God with Jesus' teachings on love creates a comprehensive, transformative approach to life. It empowers individuals by recognizing their divine nature, fosters a sense of interconnectedness, and promotes ethical living. This merged philosophy challenges traditional religious structures, advocating for a direct personal spirituality that emphasizes love, compassion, and mutual respect. By embracing this synthesis, we can enhance love and harmony in the world, realizing our divine potential and contributing to the collective well-being of humanity.